All right, so we have the left side. So in this small door, we have the microphone input, which has the pink ring around it. And that is for you to plug in your external mic. And I never remember to wear my mic. I have it on now, but I always keep it in a pouch, so I need to leave it out so I can remember. Next is the USB port. That's like, I call that my everything port. So that's where you charge, transfer, use your camera as a webcam, update your firmware. So just remember the 3 C's: charge, connection, computer. And so we'll close that. Next is the SD card port, which is right here. And that's your memory door. So that holds the memory of the camera. So all you do is you just pop it right out. Just press down on it and it just pops up. And press back and it goes back in. Okay, the right side of the camera. So you have your hand grip right here. You can see that it's textured. And this is naturally where our fingers go when we're holding the camera. And on the small rig, you can see that it has these mounting holes that are 1/4 of an inch threaded mounts. So you can attach all kinds of things to these lights, microphones, handles, arms, monitors, just, battery packs. You can literally do the most. So think of this as like jewelry for your camera. And on the top right here, you have your strap slot for your camera strap. Where mine's at, I don't even know where I put it. All right, so we have the bottom of the camera. So right here to the right, we have our battery door. So you can't open up the battery door when you have the small rig on there. You have to move this latch over. So we'll just gently move it over and then hit the latch. The door pops open. Hit this blue button in there, and then the battery comes up. And then all you do is just gently push it back down, close the door, and then put the latch back. Now, you don't want to remove your battery with the camera on. You want to make sure that the camera is off, because you run into the risk of damaging your video files and also corrupting your SD card. And probably some other things will happen too. So just make sure, just remember off, then out. And then the bottom of this small rig, you just have where your camera attaches to the tripod, your gimbal, your desk mount, your small rig plate. So for my tripod, all I have to do is just literally slide mine in and tighten it on the tripod, and it's ready to go. So the small rig, it really just provides protection, which I need, and more stability and just better grip. So all these holes down here, it looks confusing, but they are just giving you more options, so it's okay. Front of the camera. So this is the lens mount area, and the lens connects to the camera. So what you have to do is line up. There is a white dot that's on this mount right here, and there's a white dot right here that is on the lens. So when you're putting the lens on, you have to line up those 2 white dots and then twist. And you'll hear a click, and that way you know that it's locked into place. Next is the lens release button. So what you want to do, you want to press this button right here first. You want to press it down, and then you want to twist your lens off. So if you don't press this, then the lens is not going to come off the camera. So just remember, press, then twist. Never twist, then press.
And then you also have this built-in microphone up here, and I think we already talked about it, but you can use it. You can try it out. And if you don't like it, then you can buy an external mic. In here, you have your front tally light. It's a red light that shows when you're recording. So if the light is red, you're good to go. And that completes the entire outside tour of the Sony ZV-E10 II. So we walked through the top, the back, the sides, the bottom, the front. So my goal for this was to make cameras feel simple and not so scary, especially, you know, for people that don't have a background in cameras, for it not to feel so scary, and just to know that if you break anything down, that you'll just be able to learn and understand it better. So I hope that it helps. I hope that you're ready to create and share and show up and ready for this new era, because I am. Thanks for watching. See ya.